Bismillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Amri Amsyari Said, mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan Angkatan Pertama tahun 2021 di Universitas Muhammadiyah Parepare. Hari ini, hari Senin tanggal 19 Juli 2021, saya akan melakukan praktek pengajaran sebagai tagihan ujian kinerja PPG dalam jabatan. Well, bismillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. We praise Allah for His mercy that we can attend this meeting today. I also want to thank you that you can participate in this learning practice. And before we go on, let's pray to Allah before we start learning. And the prayer, as always, will be led by Aan, Sakwan Sadina. Sakwan Sadina, please.
Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Begin. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an, rizqan tayyiban, wa amalan mutaqabbalan. Rabbi zidni ilman, warzuqni fahman. Finish.
Okay. Thank you, Sakwan Sadina. It's amazing. Thank you. Okay. How are you today?
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine.
All of you fine, yeah? That's a good news.
How about you?
Okay, I'm fine also. I'm fine too, Aslam. Thank you for asking. Okay, before we continue our lesson today, let me check your attendance. Who is absent today? Abid Salih, who is absent today?
All students are present.
Okay, that's good to hear that all students are present. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, all of you are great students. Okay. Uh, in today's meeting, we will learn a new material. But before we come to that material, let me ask you what we have learned at the previous meeting. Yang kita pelajari di pertemuan yang lalu. Do any of you still remember what we have learned at the previous meeting? Fahmi?
Tentang announcement.
Okay, that's good. So at the previous meeting, we have learned about announcement. Thank you, Fahmi. That's amazing. Anyone else still remember what we have learned at the previous meeting? Satrio?
Struktur dan teks.
Struktur teks and?
Tujuan teks.
Okay, that's good. That's amazing. We have learned the structure of the text and we have also learned about the purpose of the text. Do you still remember what is the purpose of announcement? Satria?
Untuk menyebar.
What? Can you repeat, please?
Untuk menyebarkan.
Spread what? Menyebarkan apa?
Teks.
Okay, that's good. To spread news, untuk menyebarkan informasi about something, tentang sesuatu. That's good. It's nice that most of you still remember what we have learned at the previous meeting. That's good. So in this new material, it's also related to our daily life. And I have to tell you that in your era, ya, di zaman kalian, ya, learning English is crucial, ya, not just an optional like in my era, but in your era, ya, learning or knowing English, understanding English is a crucial, important thing to know. Ya, jadi di zaman kalian ini belajar bahasa Inggris itu sudah bagian dari kehidupan ya, not an optional anymore, bukan pilihan lagi ya. You should know English. Kalian harus tahu English because you can see in your daily life, ya, most public figure that you know, ya, uh, understand English, know to speak English, ya. Just say Atta Halilintar, ya. Who else? Arab, ya, Arab, ya, Riz Arab, ya, and so on, ya. Uh, all YouTubers, ya, that you ya, uh, know English, ya, because English, ya, is a need, ya, in this era, in your era, ya. So motivate yourself if you feel bored, if you feel uh, what is the purpose of learning English nowadays. Yeah, my parents uh, didn't know English, but they live well and so on. Yeah, I have to remind you that you live in different era. Yeah, you live in era that English is a need. Yeah, so please learn seriously. Yeah, when we meet in this learning meeting. Yeah. Uh, uh, Today's material is greeting card. Yeah, greeting card. Yeah, that also very related to your daily life. Yeah, you will frequently see this kind of text in your daily life. Okay, in today's meeting, yeah, before we come uh, to learn about greeting card, yeah, let me show you the purpose why you have to know this material, yeah, or what we will learn in this material, yeah. So the first thing that we'll do, yeah, is later, yeah, I will give you a picture and you will analyze it and you will give us your opinion about the picture and so on. Yeah, what do you think of the picture and so on? Yeah, and then I will divide you into groups. Yeah, that you have to discuss some greeting cards. Yeah, that you need to analyze part and the purpose of that greeting card. And last, yeah, at the last part, you will present your discussion result with your friend. Yeah. And I hope that activity will enhance your understanding about this material. So we come to the first activity. Yeah. In your screen, you will see the purpose of this learning today. Yeah. Any of you can read the tujuan pembelajaran?
Yes, saya.
Amir?
Tujuan pembelajaran. Satu, mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan greeting card. Dua, menjelaskan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan greeting card. Tiga, membandingkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan greeting card. Empat, menyusun teks khusus dalam bentuk greeting card.
Okay, thank you, Amir. Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, so in this, yeah, learning today, yeah, you will. I hope, yeah, after this meeting, you will be able to identify, yeah, the social function, structure of the text, and language feature of greeting card. And I hope Also, at the end of this meeting, you will be able to explain the social function, structure text, and language feature of greeting card, and you will be able to compare between some of greeting cards, their social function, their structure, and their language feature. And last, I hope that at the end of this meeting, all of you will be able to make your own greeting card. Uh, let's come to the first activity. I will show you a picture of greeting card, example of greeting card, and I will give you maybe 1 or 2 minutes to analyze the picture, and tell me what your opinion of that picture. Yeah, let me show you. Okay, can you see the picture? Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Anyone have an opinion about this picture? Aslam, maybe. What do you think? Have you ever see or have this kind of picture of text? Aslam,
Yes.
have you ever got this kind of picture?
Iya, ya pernah.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Yeah. How about Junaid?
Yes.
Have you ever got this kind of picture? Pernah dapat? In what condition that you get
Yes.
this picture? When?
Idul Adha.
What? Repeat. Can you?
Saat Idul Fitri dan
Okay, yeah,
or
that's good. Yeah, thank you, Aslam and Junaid. How about Firdaus? Have you ever got this kind of picture? Yeah. When you see the picture, yeah. What do you think the part of the picture? Kalau kamu lihat gambarnya ini, kira-kira bagian-bagian dari gambar ini apa saja bagian-bagiannya?
ucapan dan doa.
Hey, that's good. Ucapan selamat, ya, and prayer, wish, ya, dan doa. And Aslam, what do you think when we give this to people? What do you think the purpose of the the greeting cards? Ya, apa tujuannya kita ini beri ke orang this greeting card? Aslam.
Untuk mempererat hubungan kita dengan orang lain.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's a nice opinion. Thank you, Aslam. I will show you the next picture. Yeah, picture number 2, example, the second example. Yeah, let me see what your idea about this picture. Yeah, it's about happy birthday. Yeah, Fahmi, have you ever got this kind of greeting card?
Yes, that
When you see the greeting card, what do you think the part of the greeting card? Can you analyze?
penerima ucapan salam dan doa dan yang mengirim.
That's good. Yeah. Yeah. So when you make greeting cards, make sure that you have the receiver, penerima, and the quotes, the thing that you want to say, kata-kata yang mau kalian ucapkan, and the receiver, then the sender, pengirim. Okay, thank you, Fahmi. Yeah, that's a good answer. How about you, Aslam? What do you think if we send this to another person? What do you think the purpose of this greeting card? Aslam.
Okay.
What do you think the purpose of when we uh, give this greeting card to another person? What do you think the purpose?
Hmm, untuk mempererat hubungan kita dengan penerima.
Okay, that's a good answer. Yeah. So yeah, thank you, Aslam. Yeah. So when you see this picture, yeah, about Happy Eid and this Happy Birthday, yeah, you can uh, analyze that both of them ya have the same purpose ya punya tujuan yang sama ya okay you have done an amazing job by analyzing the picture that I have given to you ya picture about Happy Eid and uh, picture about Happy Birthday. That too is the common thing that you will find in your daily life. Yeah, so some of you have analyzed with a good analysis. Yeah, that's good. That's amazing. Now, I will divide you into a group, into several group. Yeah, group of 3 person. Yeah, so each group will consist of 3 students, and in that group you will discuss about LKPD 1 yeah worksheet 1 but before you come to the grid to the your own group yeah before I send you to your own group by breaking the rooms yeah let me show you what you will do in group yeah okay okay let's see okay yeah LKPD 1 yeah so in group you will do this LKPD 1 yeah at the top of LKPD you can see the purpose of the study that we have discussed before and before you go on you have to fill your full name yeah for example Zakwan yeah Zakwan yeah Sadina yeah and then you choose your class yeah okay and then after that click next okay okay nah in this LKPD yeah you will see 10 picture yeah with this question yeah so in this LKPD yeah you will do 10 picture you will analyze yeah 10 pictures of greeting cards yeah so the question is the same yeah uh, part of the question is the same yeah but you will see 10 picture of this yeah. So let's see observe the picture yeah let's see part 1 happiness condolence sympathy yeah consolation so yeah uh, you have to analyze the is there any happiness condolence sympathy or consolation in this greeting card yeah yeah is there any yeah if there is happiness condolence sympathy or consolation yeah write the happiness if there is none yeah just let it empty okay same with prayer or wish yeah do you see any prayer or wish in this greeting card yeah if there is a prayer or or wish yeah write write the prayer or wish in this column yeah and then there are also special codes yeah is there any special codes yeah in this greeting card yeah if there is a special codes write here if there is none special codes yeah uh, just leave it empty okay and the ritual is there any ritual in this greeting card? Okay, endearment. Yeah, is there any endearment in this greeting card? Endearment is in bahasa ungkapan kasih sayang. Yeah, when you call someone with endearment, yeah, it in bahasa, yeah, we say panggilan kasih sayang. Yeah. For example, yang tersayang Zakwan, yang tercinta ibu, yeah, and so on. And the last, yeah, is receiver and sender. Is there is a receiver or sender in this greeting card? If there is a sender or receiver, yeah, write it. If there is none, leave it empty. And you will see a 10 of this kind of picture, yeah, and the question is the same, yeah, question is the same. Okay, so in group you will discuss the answer, yeah, what you will write in this column. Okay, see, yeah, we have 10 of picture, yeah, 10 greeting cards, yeah. Yeah. So if there's any component that show this part, yeah, write it. If there is none, yeah, leave it empty. Yeah. Okay. Do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan?
Yes, Ustaz.
Okay, Zakwan.
Semua kelompok mengerjakan atau tidak?
Okay, yeah, a good question. Yeah, if each student in your group have to fill the link, have to complete the LKPD. Jadi semua harus mengerjakan, even though the answer is the same. Yeah, so the answer is the same, but each of you have to complete the LKPD. Ya, jadi semuanya harus mengerjakan, ya, semuanya harus diskusi, ya, semuanya harus mengisi, tapi jawabannya sama. For example, Satrio, Sakwan, and Abid in one group. Ya, Satrio have to complete the LKPD, Sakwan have to complete the LKPD, Abid also have to complete LKPD, but the answer is the same. Yeah, if yeah, because the answer is the result of your discussion. Okay, can you understand, Zakwan?
Yes,
Okay, thank you. Okay, now let me divide you into group. Yeah.
Nomor satunya bagaimana? Junaid. Nomor satunya jauh ku.
Itu nih kerja kelompok ini kau ditanya jawabanmu toh.
Saya
Your task today, ada pertanyaan?
Tidak ada justru.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Yeah, you can continue your discussion. Let me move to another group. Okay, good job. Good luck.
Bagaimana nomor satu, Islam?
Mana itu?
Mana nih?
sabar.
We have any question?
Tidak ada, Ji. Tidak ada.
Tidak.
Yeah. Okay. Let me remind you that all of you have to complete the LKPD, and then after this, one of you will present the your the result of your discussion in front of the class. Okay. Uh, because it's clear, let me move to another group. Okay. All of you have discussed in your own group. Yeah. All group have done their base. Yeah, that's a good job. That's amazing. Uh, now, yeah, we will move to another activity. Yeah, in this activity, uh, some of you will present what you have discussed in your own group. Yeah, but because we are limited by the time, yeah, so just some of you have to uh, present what you have discussed. Yeah, and I will also just choose one greeting card that you have discussed in your group. Yeah, because we are limited by time. Yeah, so we cannot discuss 10 picture. Yeah, so I will choose one. Yeah, one picture, and let's see your idea or the result of your discussion of this picture. So let's see. Yeah, this is the greeting card that we will discuss. Yeah, that you will present. Yeah, Happy Mother's Day. Okay, dear mom, I wish your day be blessed with smile, love, and happiness. Love you so much, your son. Okay. Okay, let's see. Do you have any idea? Number one, happiness, condolence, sympathy, consolation. Anyone? Number one, Junaid. Okay, what the answer, Junaid? Available or not? Yes or not? No.
Yes,
Okay, yes.
available.
What the
Yes.
expression?
Happy Mother's
That's
Day.
good. Yeah. Okay, that's right. Yeah. Happiness. Yeah. Part happiness, condolence, sympathy. Yeah. This is happiness. Yeah. Is it available? Yes. It is available. The expression is Happy Mother's Day. Okay. Yeah. Good job, Junaid. Number two.
Ustaz.
Okay, Aslam.
Aslam.
Available or not? Yes,
Yes.
available.
Available.
Okay. What the expression?
Yes. I wish your day be blessed with smile, love,
Okay,
and
yeah, that's
happiness.
amazing. Good job, Aslam. Yeah, so it is available prayer. The expression is I wish your day be blessed with smile, love, and happiness. Okay, good job, Aslam. Special quotes. Anyone have an idea? Number three.
Second.
Okay.
Yes.
Available or not, Sakwan?
Yes.
Okay, yes,
Yes.
available. Good. What is the expression?
Love you
Okay,
so much.
that's good. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Sakwan. How about number four? Who want to answer? Share opinion number four.
Yes.
Ulul, okay,
Yes,
Ulul.
Ustaz Ulul.
Available or not, Ulul? No, not
I know.
available. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's amazing, Ulul. Thank you. So there is no expiration, yeah, because it is not available. Okay, good job, Ulul. How about number five, endearment? Any?
Yes,
Ikral, okay,
it
available
all
or not,
start.
Ikral? Yes, available,
Yes,
yeah. Which one, the expression? Dear mom, okay,
endearment,
good job. Yeah,
endearment.
that's right. Yeah, dear mom, it's expression of endearment. Yeah. Okay. receiver and sender, because the answer is short, and this is will be answered by one person, yeah, receiver and sender. Who want to answer number 6 and 7? Satrio.
Satrio Ustad.
First, receiver is available, Satrio? Yes or no? No?
Oh no, no.
No or yes?
Yes.
Satrio? Receiver, penerima?
Yes, Ustad.
Yes or no? Okay, yes. Which one?
Yes.
Eh,
Sender.
cursor. Which one is the sender?
Yes. Yes.
Who is the sender? Receiver, siapa yang menerima? Surat ini untuk siapa? Ya, untuk
Sender.
siapa?
Ya, sender.
Mom. Okay,
Mom.
good job. Ya.
Mom.
And sender? Siapa yang kirimi? Okay, good job.
Son.
Ya. Okay, yeah. So, I believe all of you have doing this kind of discussion in your own group by analyzing 10 picture, yeah, about teacher, about mother, about a newborn baby, and so on. Yeah, and some of you have delivered their idea about this greeting card. Yeah, and most of you have a good understanding of this material. Thank you. That's a good job. Okay, we are at the end of our meeting. Yeah, but before we end our meeting today, yeah, let me doing a reflection about what we have learned today. Yeah, you can see link Padlet in your chat room. Yeah, you can click it, and in that Padlet, yeah, tell me your problem in learning this material. So, what is your problem? What the material that you think difficult to understand, or what do you feel about learning this material? Yeah, you say happy, boring, or something that uh, everything that you want to say about this material today. But you have to show me, your problem. So at the next meeting, we hope we can solve the problem. So click the link in chat room and show me your problem. Yeah, show me your problem. Okay, some of you have write the problem. Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah. So those reflection, yeah, those what you write in that reflection, yeah, we will use as a reflection to make the next meeting be more meaningful, be better, and better than this one, yeah, this one today. Okay, some of you have shared their idea about the greeting card that we have learned and discussed in group. So, as the conclusion today, can any of you give a conclusion, yeah, about what we have learned? Yeah, maybe the first is, what is the function of the greeting card? Yeah, apa fungsi dari greeting card? Any of you have an idea about this? Ada yang mau berikan pendapatnya? Oke, Junaid.
B. Untuk memberikan dan mempererat hubungan dengan orang lain.
Okay, that's a good answer, yeah, Junaid. Yeah, so we give greeting card to another person, to show our care, mm, untuk menunjukkan kepedulian kita, kepada orang tersebut. So our relation, will become better, than before. Okay, that's a good answer. Yeah, thank you, Junaid. How about the structure of the text? Structure text. Any of you, can you share your idea about the structure of the text that we have learned about greeting card? Okay, Abid.
Habit start. Strukturnya itu ada ucapan selamat, penerima, doa, dan pengirim.
Thank you, Abid. That's good answer. Yeah, so when making a greeting card, we have to show ucapan selamatnya. What kind of greeting card that we will send. Also we have to show penerima, the receiver. Who is the receiver? And then we write our wish, doa kita, for them. And last, who is the sender? Siapa yang mengirim? So the one that we give the greeting card, know that we send them a greeting card. That they know that we care about them. Okay, thank you, Abid. Thank you, Junaid. Two of you have good understanding about what we have learned today. Do you still have any question? Masih ada pertanyaan?
Sudah jelas.
Clear.
Okay, thank you. So, as the last activity, I will give you a homework. Ada tugas rumah ya. Tadi, we have learned about greeting card. You have analyzed someone's greeting card, greeting cardnya orang lain. In your home, di tugas di rumah, you have to make your own greeting card. Jadi tugasnya adalah make your own greeting card. Buat greeting card kalian sendiri. So in your home, you make your own greeting card based on the structure that we have learned. Jadi berdasarkan struktur yang sudah kita pelajari tadi, yang sudah dijelaskan juga oleh Abid. Okay, I think that's all for today's meeting. Thank you for your attention. We close this meeting by reciting kafaratul majelis. Subhanakallahumma hamdik, asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.